In today's video, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Plans in Jira. A plan in Jira, which was formerly part of Advanced Roadmaps, is a powerful planning space designed to help you see the bigger picture. Instead of looking at one board or one project at a time, a plan brings together work from multiple projects, boards, and teams into a single high-level view. This is especially useful when you are coordinating larger initiatives that involve different departments or workflows. One of the biggest benefits of using a plan is cross-project visibility. You can combine Scrum boards, Kanban boards, or even Jira query language filters, so you can understand the full scope of work across your organization. Plans also work as a sandbox environment, which means you can test out scheduling changes, team assignments, and target dates before those changes affect your live Jira data. On top of that, plans help with dependency mapping, so you can clearly see how work in one team may impact another. They also support capacity and team management, making it easier to understand team bandwidth and plan work out across future sprints or longer timelines. Now let's walk through how to create a plan to get started. Look for the plus Create icon next to Plans and click it. This opens the setup process for a new plan. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you are in the correct Jira area where plans are available. Next, enter your plan name. Choose a name that makes the purpose of the plan obvious at a glance. This will make it much easier to find later, especially if your organization uses multiple plans for different programs or teams. After that, assign the plan name and choose the access level. You can set it to open, which makes the plan visible to all users, or private, which limits visibility. This choice depends on how widely you want the plan to be shared. So think about whether it's meant for broad collaboration or more limited planning. Then, choose the specific Jira boards, projects, or JQL filters that will feed into your plan scope. This step is important because it defines exactly what work appears in the timeline. Be thoughtful here and include the sources that best represent the initiative or teams you want to manage. Finally, click Create to launch your interactive and customizable timeline. Once the plan opens, you will have a centralized view where you can begin reviewing schedules, understanding dependencies, and exploring planning scenarios in a more strategic way. That's the basic process for creating a plan in Jira and understanding why it's such a useful feature for high-level planning. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.